Fretboard geometry, constructing scales. First step in constructing scales on a fretboard diagram will be to mark the root note everywhere it's located across the entire fretboard. The root notes build what is kind of like the framework for which all the scales would be encased in. For whichever scale we are building, whether it be major, pentatonic, natural minor, Phrygian dominant, the root notes remain in the same place. Step 2, we want to fill in the remaining notes of the scale in a different color. Again, we're going to start from the 6th string and work our way down across the entire fretboard, marking in every note of the scale we're working with, in this case, the G major pentatonic. Once we've completed the map of the entire scale, we can start breaking them up into what's called boxes. Step 3, we want to break the scale up into manageable boxes so we can practice them and commit them to memory. Each box or scale are named for the chord shape in which it outlines. Due to the placement of the root notes, these scale boxes or scale shapes actually take on the shapes of open chords. This is called the caged method. There's a C shape, A shape, a G shape, E shape, D shape, and a C shape again, and they just sort of fit together like a puzzle. The caged method works for all scales, major and minor, all the modes, even the melodic minor and harmonic minor scales. And not only works with scales, but arpeggios and chords as well. Now we want to finally ditch the boxes altogether and take the fingerboard map as a whole and sort of do like a maze, ascending through the notes in as many different combinations as we can. Part of practicing scales is working out as many different pathways up and down the fingerboard as possible. You want to ascend up the fretboard like so, and like a maze, do it backwards as well, starting at the highest fret and working in reverse. Complete these steps using as many scales and as many keys as you can. Enjoy. Thanks again.